Wake Up Cleanser contains 3 acids: glycolic acid at 5%, salicylic acid at 2%, which is ideal for dealing with unblocking pores, and also citric acid. These AHAs are ideal for waking up the skin, so I would prefer you to use this in the morning and you use it slightly differently to a normal cleanser. Let me show you how. Let me just clip my hair back quickly, and I'll have to take my glasses off and I'll show you how we use it. So on makeup free face, if you're wearing makeup, please take that off beforehand. You use it onto dry skin, so using 2 or 3 pumps. I'm going to use 2.5 here. You apply onto dry skin. I like to apply it where my T-zone is, and just kind of make sure I touch around my hairline. And now we leave it on for 2 minutes. So this is basically like a mini chemical peel. We're using the AHA acids just on the top of the skin for a very short amount of time. The percentage of the acids is not too severe, so you are unlikely to get any of the usual side effects of a chemical peel. But I just like to kind of pat on a little bit so I know I've got an even distribution. If you have any areas where you think, oh, I tend to need a bit more exfoliation, so women of a certain age, you'll know exactly why I'm doing that here. And just along my jawline. If you have a younger skin, if you've got a 20-year-old skin, 30-year-old skin, this is great for refresh, not to be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women because of the salicylic acid within it. Whilst that's working nicely, you can brush your teeth. You may want to clean the taps in your bathroom, you know, whatever you want to do with that 2 minutes. I would recommend splashing off with fresh water. I don't have access to that here, so I'm just going to use a wet flannel and now just take the acid off. You might notice that I've not used it around my eyes. This is because you are to never use my cleansers to take off eye makeup and makeup generally. I have other solutions for you if you are interested in using a cleanser to take off your makeup. This is a cleanser to wake up your skin. So this is why we use it in the morning, and we use it to get that instant exfoliation on the surface and also at a deeper level. Okay, super. So I'm just going to check out my skin here. That's looking absolutely fine. I'm a little bit red because I've used an abrasive cloth, but if you want another level of exfoliation, you can also use a damp cloth. Any questions, let me know. But yeah, this is how I would recommend that you use the Junoskin Wake Up Cleanser.